Hi everyone, experienced member and Mamakta GKGS Manipuna Modern History class series is the welcome to Jari. Nasisu GKGS Manipuna Modern History Mari Shuba class on Mysore Wars, some Maratha Wars, Hyper topic as the experience in the important questions in the bagi and high very important questions in the explanations in the video class experience in the Pudan luxury. Hi, video classes SSC upcoming exams like CGL, CISSL, CPO, MTS, GD, and atop exams like CISFP, CDSP, NDA, Army, and atop Railways, RRB, NTPC. Adom exams in the important or a topic. Aduna masigi class yam interesting oigani ana ningsing jage share kanda khoi class adum hojulase masigi ahanba question ji Yengminnarasi. Who won the first Anglo-Mysore War? Hanba Anglo-Mysore War se kanana mai pakiwano na hangi ko. Option number A British, option number B Nizams of Hyderabad, and option number C Marathas, and option number D Kingdoms of Mysore. Akoina khangi Anglo-Mysore War. Anglo-Mysore War se 1767 to 69 se akoi thoki hida 1767 to 69 aduga masida kedoba Hyder Ali versus masi war se Hyder Ali versus kananeba British ne. So masida akhoi Hyder Ali se kanano ha matam the Kingdom of Mysore gi marks matam gi nithau ruler ne. So with this, the first Anglo-Mysore war se Hyder Ali na mai paki, and that was Kingdom of Mysore na mai pakunamki. I'm sure you understand our Indian Thaze. With this question number 2, Dong Yengminnarasi, which treaty was the first Anglo-Mysore war and that. First Anglo-Mysore war se kam treaty shine dong kan loshin non hangi ko. Ahan option the Treaty of Allahabad, option number B the Treaty of Mangalore, and option number C the Treaty of Madras, and option number D the Treaty of Mysore. The first Anglo-Mysore war koi Congress 1767 to 69 ni aduga marks British versus Hyder Ali ni Hyder Ali, and masi akoi Treaty of Madras se sign to sinarakan loshingi kam basida 1769 the Treaty of Madras sign to loshingi aduna. Here the correct option is option number C Treaty of Madras. With this question number 3 Dong Yengminnarasi, when was the Treaty of Madras signed? Karma matam the sign to non hangi Treaty of Madras se ka. Option number A 1755, option number B 1758, option number C 1765, option number D 1768. Sorry ma'am, C option je akoi amutang 1769 and on top minasi ka. Mark the typing mistake yabu gidong to ma'am ngapi ni. And here the correct option is akoi option number D 1769 the signed to give me the Treaty of Madras. With this next question, the Yengminnarasi, question number 4, who led the British force in the Battle of Porto Novo? Battle of Porto Novo, the British force ki leader do British force who led to Pado Kanano na hangi ko. Option number A Hector Munro, option number B Lord Cornwallis, and option number C Sir Ayerkuti, and option number D Lord Dalhousie. Akoi khang second Anglo-Mysore war gi Battle of Porto Novo have se akoi second Anglo-Mysore war gi saruk abani. Second Anglo-Mysore war gi saruk abani. Second Anglo-Mysore war se akoi 1782-84 fokta thokiba dumba war abani. Battle of Porto Novo have been the Porto Novo hujik modern de Porto Novo have from Porto Novo hujik modern de dana kariya khanaba Parangi Petai have a Parangi Petai Hana Kanariba, Kokata Labor Tamil Nadu, the Tokibani. The Masigi British is India Company, Sekanana Letoki have Matanda, Shar Ayerkuti, and Letoki, that is option number C is the correct option. Aduga Kingdom of Mysore Letokiba, Mark ruler be mumming Nakariko, Bono, and I have Matanda Hyder Ali, Shar Ayerkuti, and Hyder Ali. Sigi points in I am understand or again. With this, next question, the question number 5 Yengminnarasi. Name the treaty with which the second Anglo-Mysore war was ended. Second Anglo-Mysore war se the treaty signed on Arkandaloshin Kibunon Hamiko. Option number A Treaty of Madras, and option number B Treaty of Mangalore, option number C Treaty of Mysore, and option number D Treaty of Seringapatam. And here the correct option is akhoi karamba treaty sign tonora losin khiba treaty of Mangalore sign tonora losin gi ko treaty of Mangalore sign tonora losin gi that is in the year 1794 da. Question number 5 is a ma'am understand the ran loser with this question number 6 tamu Yengminnarasi between his two power the third Anglo-Mysore war was fought. Third Anglo-Mysore war si kana kana gi marakta thokiba lan non hangi ko Yengminnarasi du taragadi han option the British and Hyder Ali. Option number B, the British and Shuja'ud-Dawla. Option number C, the British and Marathas. And option number D, the British and Tipu Sultan. British and Tipu Sultan in North Carolina. And here the correct option is the third Anglo-Mysore war. Sidi kana kana gi marokta no have matamda third Anglo-Mysore war sikam basai the thok no hana khangna si correct option the hide and ida 1790 to 92 sida thoe ko 1790 to 92 thoe akogi Mysore gi ruler Tipu Sultan amadi akoi is India company ga marakta versus is India company British East India company oigadum ka British East India company kanana le tawba masig British East India company se Lord Cornwallis na let tawe ka sign tawdana akogi third Anglo-Mysore war si thoki that is between British and Tipu Sultan ka British amasang Tipu Sultan ani sigi marata. So option D is the correct option here. With this question number 7 damung Yengminnarasi with his treaty the third Anglo-Mysore wars ended ka karamba treaty ga loina na third Anglo-Mysore war do losin kibano na hangi ka. Option number A, the Treaty of Madras, and option number B, the Treaty of Mangalore, and option number C, the Treaty of Mysore, and option number D, the Treaty of Seringapatam. So here the correct option is option choose to option choose to Yengminnarasi Treaty of Seringapatam in the year 1792. Option number D is the correct option in the year 1792. So question number 7 is to understand the rain louser again. Aduna question number 8 move on to Yengminnarasi. How much money did Mysore have to pay to the British as war damages under the Treaty of Seringapatam? Treaty of Seringapatam 1792 gi makhada Mysore na war damas ki saruk ama oina ko Mysore na British lupa kya pe tawbudi yana kibano na hangi Treaty of Seringapatam gi matungina ka. Option number A 50 lakhs, option number B 70 lakhs, and option number C 1 crore, and option number D 3 crores. And here the correct option is option number D 3 crores. 3 crores. With this question number 9 daw Yengminnarasi in whose battle Tipu Sultan was defeated by the British. Karamba battle the Tipu Sultan se British na maithiba pi kibano na hangi ko. Option number A, Battle of Porto Novo. Option number B, First Battle of Panipat. And option number C, Battle of Seringapatam. And option number D, Battle of Travancore. Defeated in the sense the Karino Hamatan, Tipu Sultan Gimagi rule Loshin Giba Haitareko, rule Loshin Giba. Adubuni Masigi in science hires a car. Do tardy here of a conquer battle of Seringapatam call battle of Seringapatam the Tipu Sultan the British Mukutamaichi and Kiko 1799. With this question number 10 now Yengminnarasi who led the British East India Company in the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Fourth Anglo-Mysore War the British East India Company is a Kanana led the Okinawana Hangiko Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Option number A, the Lord Cornwallis. Option number B, the Lord Dalhousie. And option number C, the Iroquois. And option number D, the Lord Wellesley. Option Marie Pireko. And here, for Anglo-Mysore Wars, the Kanana let talk, for Anglo-Mysore Wars, the Kambasai, the Topano and Haitar, 1799, the 2A, Aduga. British East India Company, Kanana let we have the Lord Wellesley and let Tawika. And so option number D is the correct option here. With this next question, next question 11, the capital of Tipu Sultan was Tipu Sultan capital sakade karambano hangika. Option number A Seringapatam, and option number B Mysore, and option number C Mangalore, and option number D Madras. So here the correct option is Seringapatam is the capital of Tipu Sultan. With this question number 12 Yengminnarasi, Who among the following Indian rulers established embassies in foreign countries? Karamba Indian rulers na foreign countries ta akhoi mahaki embassies thamba hokibano na hangi ko embassies thamba hokibano na. Option number A Hyder Ali, option number B Shiraz Uddullah, and option number C Mir Qasim, and option number D Tipu Sultan. And here the correct option is option number D Tipu Sultan thamkibanika. Tipu Sultan hana na hodorakibanika masigi embassies thambagi foreign countries ta embassies thambagi chanabisa. With this akhoi next time Yengminnarasi question number 13 da. What was the Council of Minister formed by Shivaji Kaur? Shivaji Maharaj na form taukiba Council of Minister do madui maming kari kaubano na hangi ka Brahmavidan ka Brahmavidban hai ka Brahmavidban Astadigaza Asta Pradhan and Navaratna. Option mari pile ka. And here the correct option is Asta Pradhan ka Asta Pradhan. Option number C is the correct option. With this question number 14 down Yengminnarasi, who is known as the founder of the Maratha Empire? Maratha Empire के founder हारकंदा कोने कनाबु खंगना बनो न हंगे का सिद्धि मम्मी याम चतनी में याम सखां बनिया न खंजाए बालाजी विश्वनाथ ला और संभाजी रा. Option number C दा शिवाजी महाराजा. Option number D दा बाजीराव वन का अखोय खंगे that is here. Option number C Shivaji Maharaja is the correct option ka. And masigi foundation stones in the year lay the foundation stone in the year kamba chahida 1674 da ka sigi point so I may understand tawren lojra with this question number 15 da mu yengase who was the first hereditary Peshwa. Ihan the hereditary Peshwa se kana no na ko. Option number A Balaji Bajirao 1, option number B Balaji Vishwanath, option number C Bajirao 1, option number D Nana Fadnavis. Okay, Marathas rulers okay Shivaji ki matamda masigi Peshwa habadi karino habi matamda makhoi ki matamdugi akhoi chief minister hire su prime minister hire su madu akhoi Peshwa ka ngai makhoi matamdugi ko hire ba Peshwa se keno ge Shivaji Maharaj ki matamda di ke dawa keno da hereditary oiramde ba hereditary oiramde makhoi se kari da khalam eba merit ta khalam eba ko adobu akhoi ruler kana lakudagi Sahu hariba ruler se Sahu hariba Maratha ruler se lakudagi kedoba hariba Peshwa gi phamse Peshwa ai ni jo haja chief minister na ta prime minister haina koina kanbe ai ko matamdugi adugi phamse hereditary oirakreba adugi hereditary oibadugi ihan hanba ma ke keno se hereditary Peshwa se kana no na hangi ko. Option number A the Balaji Bajirao ra I option 9 and here the correct option is Balaji Vishwanath is the correct option. Option number B is the correct option ka Balaji Vishwanath se ihan hanba mokhogi hereditary Peshwa ne. With this akhoi Yengminnarasi next who among the following was known as the greatest Maratha warrior and tactician? Kanabu greatest Maratha warrior amasung tactician haina khangna banawan hangi ko. Option number A Bajirao 1, option number B Sahuji, option number C Nana Saheb, and option number D Shivaji. And here the correct option is Bajirao 1 se akhoi gi kedoba greatest Maratha warrior amasung tactician har kan takhngi ko. With this question number 17 da mu Yengminnarasi between which two powers was the battle of Wadgan fought? Battle of Wadgan se karamba power ani gi marakta chongna ki lan non hangi ko akhoi first akhoi khange option janam tang Yengminnarasi British and Hyder Ali, option number B British and Mahaji Scindia, and option number C British and Mir Qasim, and option number D British and Tipu Sultan. Option mari pile ko akhoi khange that is first Anglo-Maratha war. First Anglo-Maratha war Sigi hariba battle of Wadgaon the first Anglo-Maratha war gi saruk abani 1775 to 1782 ka sibok ta thokiba war sigi saruk amane ba the battle of Wadgaon se ko battle of Wadgaon se akhoi kana gi maruk ta thokibno ha matam da Mahaji Scindia amasung British ki marakta thokiba option number B is the correct option ko adomba battle amani hariba battle sida akhoi treaty of Wadgaon the sign tongna na ba haine aduga hariba treaty of Wadgaon ko ayam tang nisina ke treaty of Wadgaon sign 1779 da sign tongna tawbu matanda masigi treaty se Warren Hastings na kitang makhoi gi British ki policy ga sana de humiliating way hana Warren Hastings na masigi treaty se rejected tawre aduga last the treaty of Shalbai se 17 May 1782 da sign tongna kanda masigi first Anglo-Maratha war si losinju kariga treaty of Shalbai si sign tongna in the year 1782 da sign tongna first Anglo-Maratha war si losinju. Points I understand tawnen logjarge question number 17. Question number 18 damu Yengminnarasi du target. Under which treaty did the first Anglo-Maratha war ended? I know first Anglo-Maratha war se kam treaty sign tongna kan losinju no nani ko. Option number A, Treaty of Bashin. Option number B, Treaty of Wedgwown. Option number C, Treaty of Shalbai. And option number D, Treaty of Surat. Just sometimes so worry in the Treaty of Wedgwown says 1779 the sign tonani tawbudagi Warren Hastings na rejected by Warren Hastings rejected Warren Hastings na aduga last Treaty of Shalbai option number C is the correct option masi sign toksinara first Anglo-Maratha war solution kreba masi kana ge marakta sign tongna bana Warren Hastings amadi Mahaji Sindhya mabani gi marakta sign tongna kiba adumba treaty amne Mahaji Sindhya. With this question number 19 damu Yengminnarasi. Who was the Maratha who signed the Treaty of Bashin with the British? Treaty of Bashin signed on kiba Maratha do kanano na hangi ko British ka ta signed on kiba do. Option number A da Madam Narayan Rao, option number B da Bajirao 1, option number C da Bajirao 2 and option number D da Raghunath Rao. Akhoi khange that is second Anglo-Maratha war. Second Anglo-Maratha war. Saya pitang nising minasi ko ay ko correct option hydro naida. 1803-05 to talk about dumba war mani. High war sigi war se akhoi Battle of Puna thopase. Battle of Puna mami khoi tar mani Battle of Puna kamba sahida 1802 da masigi battle sida mokhoi Holkar gi chief ko. Gi Shanrao habase chief of Holkar Yuashan Rao na kadogo Sindhyas amasung Peshwa se Sindhyas amasung Peshwa se maithiba pikiba Peshwa se maithiba piki aduna makhoi singsigi internet conflict lai bisina maram morakanda Peshwa ki kana Bajirao 1 Bajirao 2 Peshwas ki option number C is the correct option. Bajirao 2 sina akhoi British ta mating ni bo na Treaty of Bashin se sign tongna ki British ka Treaty of Bashin se sign tongna ki kanana Bajirao 2 ba ka aduna masigi treaty se Sindhya samusung Bonsless kangbu sina masigi treaty se accept tawdra Sindhyas and Bonsless kangbu na masigi treaty se rejected the Treaty of Bashin. Treaty of Bashin se rejected tawre. Sigi maram sina akhoi second Anglo-Maratha war se sigi maram sidagi thopane. So don't understand tawre ni cause kita aduna akhoi khange sigi internet battle of conflict ta akhoi sibo Holkar Yashan Rao na akhoi Sindhya sung Peshwa se maithiba pi sigi internet conflict sina maram morakanda Peshwas kangbu sina kanaga British ka Treaty of Bashin se sign tongnare masigi Treaty of Bashin sina Bashin se akhoi Sindhya sung Bonsless kangbu na rejected tawre masidagi akhoi second Anglo-Maratha war se thopane sigi Treaty of Bashin se akhoi Bajirao 2 amasung British ko marakta sign tongnaba adumba treaty amni. So with this question number 19 so understand our rain log question number 20 dong Yengminnarasi. After which war Bonsless and Sindhya signed a subsidiary treaty. Karamba war gi mathangda akhoi Bonsless amasung Sindhya subsidiary treaty sign tawkibano na hangi ko. Option number A, First Anglo-Maratha War. Option number B, Battle of Wedgwown. Option number C, Second Anglo-Maratha War. And option number D, Third Anglo-Maratha War. And here, masigi option je mayang option do gai gamu sumbro manawre option number C is the correct option. Second Anglo-Maratha War 1803 to 05 si lorakanda masida akhoi British na kana kana marta thoya Scindia, Holker amasung Boneless versus British ka British ka thongna matam sida British na makhoi hum che maiki ba pi khre ka duga sigi matungda Boneless amasung Scindia su subsidiary treaty se sign tawre. So with this question number 21, the British attack on Pindaris gave rise to which of the following wars? British na makoi Pindaris ta attack to robdagi karamba wars horakibano an hangi ka karamba wars horakibano an hangi. And here koi Yengminnarasi option number A the first Anglo-Maratha war, option number B the second Anglo-Maratha war, and option number C the third Anglo-Maratha war, and option number D the Battle of Pune. And here the correct option is third Anglo-Maratha war. So koi Pindaris ta attack to robdagi horakibani ka. Third Anglo-Maratha War karamba chahida 1817 to 1819 ka 1819 ida khoi Maratha gi chief Bajirao II adaidi Holkar gi chief Mahal Rao adaidi Mudoji II makoi Boneless gi chief Mudoji II makoi ko punsila kan united or kan British ka thokibni ka the battle of Koregaon haibam thoya tang ai nising ke Maratha gi chief kana Bajirao II adaidi Holkar gi na Malhar Rao adaidi Boneless kina Mudoji tu makoi sing ke punsila kanda versus British oibaneba versus British ka aduga battle of Koregaon thoe masigi kanu sigi third Anglo-Maratha war gi sog uma oina battle of Koregaon Bhima Koregaon aina khangna bani ka Koregaon thoe ka harba battle of Koregaon se British na mai pa kunang British na mai pa the third Anglo-Maratha war se British na mai pa kre. So I thought question number 21 could question number 22 dong Yengminnarasi who among the following was victorious in the battle of Koregaon. Jikta so hijack record. Karambana kanana mai pa khiba battle of Koregaon the Peshwa nara Holkar nara Scindia nara British nara, and here the correct option is option number D British na mai pa kunan khibani ka battle of Koregaon da. Next time Yengminnarasi between whom was the third battle of Panipat fought? Third battle of Panipat akoi battle of Panipat maming thum taramani ka si kana gi third battle of Panipat se kana gi Maratha fought okiba domba battle no na hangi. Option number A Maratha and British, option number B Maratha and Mughal, and option number C Maratha and Mysore, and option number D Maratha and Afghan. Koi khange first battle of Panipat habetang Panipat ki matang pala ni na mayam battle Panipat ki battle sing ching minasi ka first battle of Panipat ka danaba first battle of Panipat sina 1526 te thokiba kana gi marakta Babur versus Ibrahim Lodi natra Ibrahim Lodi dynasty gi ka ida Ibrahim Lodi hi mai thi banang. And next amo akoi second battle of Panipat la ase second battle of Panipat. Second battle of Panipat sina karamba chahida 1556 ta thoe 1556 ta sina kana gi marakta Akbar versus Hemu gi marakta khange adagi third battle of Panipat khoi jik laktore third battle of Panipat karamba chahida 1761 da kaur ko maya 1761 da khoi third battle of Panipat thoe hida kana gi Maratha and Afghans ki marakta versus Maratha versus Afghan ka Maratha ki commander maming ne kai koeba Maratha commander maming na Sadashiv Rao Bahau koeba Sadashiv Rao Bahau koe aduga Afghan gina kai maming koeba Ahmad Shah Abdali koeba Ahmad Shah Abdali. Sigi points I understand tawden lawjarage ma'am. With this next question the Yengminnarasi question number 24 who was the Maratha commander during the third battle of Panipat? Jikta so hijack reko Maratha commander kanano third battle of Panipat ki matamda third battle of Panipat the fought okibdo Maratha commander kanano nangi Bajirao I la Balaji Bajirao ra Balaji Vishwanath la Sadashiv Rao Bahura. And here the correct option is option number D Sadashiv Rao Bahu. And with this question number 25 to Yengminnarasi who was the Afghan commander during the third battle of Panipat? Afghan commander na kanano na hingay ko hanas na hingay option number A da Shah Tamafs Taimur Shah Muhammad Ghaznavi and option number D da Ahmad Shah Abdali. And here the correct option is option number D, Ahmad Shah Abdali is the correct option. Next thing say okay. Next question yoramdre. Ma'am masigi akhoi Mysore wars amsung Maratha wars ki question nahi naba important questions nahi naba in depth akhoi dum nahi nazarabani ko masigi video class ase matang sida loshindre aduga PDF amsung important updates amsung quizzes ki damakta ai gi Telegram channel asida scan tro kan join tokshin biro aduga WhatsApp pa bisin now bisu WhatsApp group WhatsApp channel hangduna thamdare dum join tokshin biro aduga amana ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯁꯤꯌꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯁꯕꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯎꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯇꯣꯄꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯗꯦꯁꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯤꯡꯛ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯝꯒꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯝꯇꯪ ꯒꯣ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ